Hey friends, it's May here with Craft Cottage Market, and today I want to share with you guys my latest release. It is called Whispers in May. It's actually a tall skinny junk journal kit, and it has many pages for you to work with. This is the first page, and I absolutely love all the burgundy colors there, flowers. And I've printed it in the back, so I'm going to flip it over, and this is what I have in the back on most of my pages. And here's another page. And these are printed at 8.5 by 11, 300 dpi. Not AI generated. Lots to work with. There's about 30 some pages of the 8.5 by 11 full sheets, and this time around I didn't add the strip, so you have the full advantage of the page. I love the grunginess. There's some pinks and grunge. Again, every back has that same one. There's that one. Love. So it has some sage, some burgundy, some creams, some sepia. Lots of textures. Lots of scripts. A lot of grunginess, because we love grunginess. Now these you can purchase over on my Ko-fi. And I will make sure I link that below. But I absolutely love, there's so much you can do with this collection. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? I just love it. It just makes me wanna, I don't know, just love it. I love making it as well. Look at that. I just love it. Every time I look at it, I'm just like in love with it. The sky is the limit. Y'all know I love butterflies. Have a wallpaper feel with some flowers and shiplap. More butterfly, more grunginess. It's the grunginess for me, but you know. I wanted to give you more of a vintage feel. I know a lot of you guys love that, so that's what I was going for. But then again, I wanted to be able to give you something to make a junk journal. In the previous one we did a folio. We're still working on that. So kind of give you something to work with. Okay, so that's 31 of the kit itself right there. And then 31, 8.5 by 11 of these pages. I'm going to move these over because these are actually add-ons. Move that over here. And then it also includes, look at that, the tall skinny journal pages, and I've printed it in the back with this. There's a total of 10 of these. There's some stitches on the side. I would just fold them in half, and what I did on the live the other day, I distressed it so you can take advantage of the full page by just distressing the edges. I was trying to see if I found it here where I was working on it. No. On my live from Friday, I showed how you can just use your distress ink and just, without having to cut the borders, and just fold it in half. Make it easy peasy. I love the typewriter. Perfect for journaling. Lots of lines that you can journal on. Lots of grunge, lots of that vintage feel. So beautiful. Another typewriter. And some lines. Okay, so that's 10 for the junk journal pages, so that's included in the kit as well. And then your ephemeras consist of these. And that's little pockets for that. That's 2. Here's another little envelope. That one's 3. Here's another envelope for pocket. That's 4. And some tags to go with those. Tall skinny tags, you know it. And then we have some specimen, some side pockets, and these kind of interlap. Some library cards. Another tall pocket. More tags. Frames. Some little vintage cards to go in. Some more of these. I just love the entire collection. And then you have all these nice, beautiful passports and cabinet cards and photos. Some labels that you can cut out and add some words, stamp onto them. There's more. Some tickets. More little ephemeras that you can cut out. More tickets and more ephemeras. And some cool little words that we kind of come up with. And some blank labels that you can stamp on them on your own. And then this is actually part of something entirely different. But that is the kit right there. The main part of the kit. So it's over, gosh, 10, 31, 41, and like 22 of the ephemeras, I believe. So quite a lot. I think it totals up to like 55 pages, if I'm not mistaken. And again, like I said, this is available over in coffee. And then there's going to be an add-on, and it's going to consist of these pages here, and I've printed it on with a border similar to one that's there. I love that. Gives me that tapestry look. There's that one, lacy, and I just love this one as well. Burgundy feels. So that is the entire collection right there. This is the add-on, the 5 add-ons that's going to be there. We also, we're going to be at the coffee. If you want, I will link it below. Go ahead, grab it while you can. Members normally get exclusive discounts and add-ons and etc. etc. So if I add on something to the kit, members will get those, but you can purchase this on my coffee. I will link it below, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you guys liked this as much as I enjoyed creating it, and I hope to see that you guys take advantage of this beautiful collection. Till next time, guys. Bye.